everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sarah's View. Today is day 15 of the swimming series program. If you're watching this video for the first time, we're learning swimming in 20 days. Please go to my channel playlist swimming series to watch it from the beginning. Today we're gonna learn backstroke hand movement using kickboard. Come, let's learn together. Practice this activity. Once you are done, please go check my day 16 video in the swimming series playlist. Bye. Have a nice day.